Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Creating a functional and stylish close button using HTML and JavaScript involves several steps. Start by designing the button in HTML, ensuring it has a clear identifier for easy reference. Use to style a button, focusing on aspects like size, color, and hover effects to enhance user experience. Incorporate transitions to make the button visually appealing when interacted with. In JavaScript, add an event listener that captures click events on the button. When clicked, this event should trigger a function that either hides or removes the targeted element from the view, such as a modal or notification. To improve accessibility, consider adding area attributes to inform screen readers about the button's functionality. Testing across different browsers ensures consistent performance. Finally, keep the code organized and document functionality for future reference, facilitating easier updates and maintenance.